Alright, this is the last one for chapter 5. This is mean, median, and mode and range. This is page 272 in your book. So if you take a look with me, these are your key concept boxes right here. Mean is just the average. So we'll kind of kill two birds with one stone. We'll do the key concept, and then we'll also, it's our vocabulary. The median is the number that's in the middle when the numbers are in order. So you need to make sure you put them in order first before you find the number in the middle. The mode is the number that happens the most, and there can be more than one. The range is the difference of the highest and the lowest number. And we've been doing these for quite a while, so it should be getting, pretty easy for you to do these. So here we go for the mean. Biology. A marine biologist records the following locations of 6 deep-sea jellyfish in relation to the ocean surface. Negative, so on, so on, so on. What is the mean location of the deep-sea jellies? Mean means you add up all the numbers and you divide by the number of numbers. So let's see what happens. We add those all up and we divide by 6 because there are 1, 2, let me see if I can find my pen again. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total numbers. So you add them all up and you divide by 6. So the average depth is negative 2571, 2,571 feet. So let's find the means of these. We're going to add these numbers up. Let's add the negatives with the negatives. Negative 3, negative 11 is negative 14, and 21 is 35. So we got negative 35. 44 and 9 is 53, plus 53. So since there's one's positive and one's negative, we have to subtract them. So that adds up to make 18. And we divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because there's 5 numbers. So that's going to be 3, which is 15, and 3, add another, bring it down, 3.6 degrees Celsius is the mean of that data. There we go. So we're just adding them up and dividing by how many there are. Well, we got some fractions here, so let's add the halves because those go together. So 12 and a half and 20 and a half is 32, and a half makes 1, so 33. 14 and 3/4 and 16 and 3/4 is 30 and 6/4. 6/4 is 1 and a half, so that's 31 and a half. Added to the 33 would be 64 and a half, and we're going to divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I don't know why my pin's messing up. So let's do that. We know how to divide fractions. So 129 over 2 times, that'd be 4 over 1. Flip it over. 129 over 8. 8 goes into 129 once. That'd be 6, which is 48, and 1/8 left over. So the average is 16 and 1/8. Let's see if we did it right. There we go. Yay. Example 2. Find the median, the mode, and the range of the prices. So they give us some prices here. And notice they're in order. They're in order from the smallest price to the biggest price. So to find the median, what we're going to do is we're going to one way to do it is to just go through and you can cross them off like this, work your way to the center. But then it's going to be between those two. So it's the middle of those. So how do you find it when it's between? You take those two numbers, you add them up, and you divide by 2. So let's see, they probably did that. Yep. And it's 1765. The mode is the price that occurs the most often. Notice 19.99 happens twice. So that is our mode. And then the range is the highest one, which was 29.49, minus the lowest, which was 7.20, and it's 22.29. So 10 people try a new cereal and rate it on a scale of 1 to 20. The ratings are shown below. Which averages best represent the data? Well, let's find all of them. We have the mean. So we're going to add them up: 24, 27, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 39, 40. And there was 10 of them. So 40 divided by 10 is 4. That's the mean. The mode is 2. And the median is, there's 5 of them, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It'd be between, the median is 2. Now, if there's only 1 4 and it's pretty high, I don't think that's a good representation. 2 happens a lot. I think that's great. So I say it's the mode and the median. So I say it's B. Let's see how they do it. They find them just like we did, and they agree. Because 20 is so big, it kind of messes it up a little bit. All right, so we're going to find the median and the mode. So the median, these aren't in order. So the first thing we do is put them in order. There's 10. Then there is a 13. Then there's a 14. Then 15. Then 17. Then 18. 20. 22. 24. Okay, so now the median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, it'll be the 5th number. The median is 17. The mode, none of them happen more than once, so the mode is none. The range is 24 minus 10, which is 14. So the median is 17, there is no mode, and the range is 14. Median 17, no mode, the range is 14. Okay, again, we're putting these in order. There's 3 4s. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There's a 5. There's a 7. There's 3 9s. There's a 10 and a 14. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers, so it's between the 5th. So the median is 8. The mode is tied. The 4 and 9 both have 3. And the range is 14 minus 4, which is 10. There we go. In example 3, suppose another group tries a new cereal. Their ratings are 1, 1, 1, 2. What average and averages best represent the data? So again, let's find the median one. There's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the median is 3.5. The mode is 1. I don't know if that represents it very well. The mean, which is the average, so, oh wait, there's another 10 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 10, 20, 29, 30, 33, 37, 39, 40, 42, 43, 44, 45 divided by 10 is 4.5. So the mean is 4.5. So these are pretty close here in the middle. I would say probably the median or the mean are good. Maybe more like them. It's 35, 10, 20, 10, 29. Oh, it's not 4, it is 3.5. Oops, I messed up. I didn't add right. I added wrong here. This is supposed to be 35, which would make that 3.5. Okay. So the median is most, it's around 3.5. So, okay, mean, median, mode, you kind of done those before, you know how to do them, so have fun, and that's it for chapter 5. See you next time.